Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're taking a closer look at the all-new 2025 Suzuki GSX-8R. This middleweight sport bike has been a favorite for riders who want a good balance of performance, comfort, and everyday usability. Let's jump right in and see what Suzuki has in store for us this year. The first thing that strikes you about the 2025 GSX-8R is its aggressive styling. The sharp lines and aerodynamic fairing scream performance, and the new LED headlights give it a modern look. The bike comes in a variety of colors, so you can find one that matches your personality. Under the hood, the GSX-8R boasts insert engine specifications, e.g. powerful 4-cylinder engine. It delivers smooth power that's perfect for both city riding and hitting the twisties. The suspension system is an insert suspension details, AG fully adjustable, which allows you to dial in the handling to your preferences. And let's not forget the mentioned notable safety features, e.g. advanced braking system that keeps you confident on the road. The 2025 Suzuki GSX-8R starts at insert starting price. That puts it right in the middle of the pack for middleweight sport bikes. However, when you consider the bike's features, performance, and Suzuki's reputation for reliability, it becomes a very attractive option. So if you're looking for a versatile sport bike that's exciting to ride but comfortable enough for everyday use, the 2025 Suzuki GSX-8R is definitely worth considering. It offers a great balance of performance value and rider enjoyment. Thanks for watching. Let me know what you think of the new GSX-8R in the comments below. If you're interested in learning more about this bike, be sure to check out the links in the description. And don't forget to subscribe for more motorcycle content.